The Starlite 2 is an extremely lightweight tunnel tent for 2 people, weighing just over 1.53 kilos and £3 6 ounces. It's perfect for bike packing, cycle camping, or the traveller looking for the smallest overall pack size. It will fit easily into most panniers or packs and can be fixed directly onto a bike. This 3-season tunnel tent offers a good space to weight ratio with a convenient porch area. The pack size is just 29 by 13 centimetres. The door enables different venting options. The 20 denier ripstop nylon fly sheet has a hydrostatic head of 3000mm and the nylon ground sheet 7000mm. Terra Nova reflex poles, made to our own specification from 7001 T6 extruded aluminium, are used for best strength and minimum weight. It is supplied with 7075 alloy pegs, and the adjustable pegging points at each corner help achieve a perfect pitch. Dyneema, the strongest man-made fibre that's stronger than steel, is used in the reflective guy lines. The Starlite is also available in a one-person version. The Starlite 2 is a good option for spring to autumn weather conditions and for medium duration bike packing and camping trips where more space is needed.